Hello student, today we are going to learn the numericals on de Broglie's equation. We know the de Broglie's equation as lambda is equal to h upon p. It is equal to h upon m into p, where lambda is called as de Broglie's wavelength. H is the Planck's constant, P is the momentum, and the momentum is mass into velocity. Therefore, here is the mass into velocity. This m is a mass of a particle moving with a velocity v. Therefore, v is the velocity. Now, this is the equation to calculate the wavelength, that is the de Broglie's wavelength. Now, before going to the numerical solving, one should know how the calculator is used, because I found that some student get 0 mark in the numerical. It is due to the wrong use of the operation of a calculator. For example, here is the numerical. It is a simple numerical. In this numerical, 12 divided by 2 into 3, right? We know that the answer is 2. How it is 2? It is 2 6 are 12. Therefore, here is the 6 divided by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. Therefore, answer is 2. But when some students calculate this like this, you can see the calculator, that is 12 divided by this 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. Now you are using calculator, and though you are using calculator, your answer is 18, which is a wrong answer. Why it is wrong answer? It is due to the wrong operation of the calculator. कॅल्क्युलेटरचा चुकीच्या पद्धतीने वापर केल्यामुळे तुमचा आन्सर चुकलेला आहे. कारण आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ह्याचा आन्सर काय आहे, 2 आहे, आणि तुमचा आन्सर किती यायला कॅल्क्युलेटरना 18 यायला. मग काय चुकलं? तर तुमचं ऑपरेशन चुकलं. बघा काय असतं, ज्यावेळेस 12 डिवायडेड बाय 2 असं तुम्ही तुमच्या कॅल्क्युलेटरमध्ये करता, त्यावेळेस ह्या कॅल्क्युलेटरमध्ये तुमचं आन्सर तयार असतं 6. मग आता इथं तुम्ही मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साईन असल्यामुळं मल्टिप्लाय करता, पण तो तसं नाही. याचा आन्सर काय आलेला आहे, हे 6 आलेलं आहे. म्हणजे ही जी टर्म आहे, ही कॅल्क्युलेटर ही मशीन आहे, त्याने मग त्याच्या मेमरीमध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट केली आणि त्याचं उत्तर किती आहे, 6 आहे. आणि याला डिवायडेड बाय काय आहे, मग आता 3 आहे. मग आता तुमचं उत्तर काय येईल बघा, हे पहा 12 डिवायडेड बाय 2. आता मला काय करायचं, मल्टिप्लाय नाही करायचं, मला काय करायचं, डिवाइड बाय 3 करायचं आहे. हे डिवाइड बाय 3, हे तुमचं आन्सर 2. ऑपरेशन काय लक्षात आलं, तुम्ही इथलं साईन वापरता, हे साईन नाही आहे. ॲक्च्युली काय आहे, हे जे 3 आहे हे भागाकारात आहे. तुमचं जे काही उत्तर होतं त्याला ते भागिले आहे, म्हणून भागाकार करायचा असतो इथं. म्हणून 6 डिवायडेड बाय 3 इज इक्वल टू 2. And if you take 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, then you will get 18 answer, which is a wrong answer. Now this is the correct method of using the calculator. If there is a numerical like 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 3, at that time you take that 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 divided by 3, then you will get the correct answer. Now इथं जर असेल न्यूमरेटरमध्ये, इथं मल्टिप्लाय असेल, परंतु खाली डिनॉमिनेटरमध्ये जर मल्टिप्लाय असेल तर त्याचा अर्थ ते भागिले आहे असं लक्षात ठेवायचं आणि भागाकाराचं साईन ठेवायचं. क्लिअर? नाउ कीप दिस सजेशन इन युअर माइंड during the solving the numericals. Clear? Now come to the our numericals. Let us say the first numerical on the de Broglie's equation. Now calculate the de Broglie's wavelength of electron moving with velocity 1.40 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. The value of h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. तुम्हाला नॉर्मल न्यूमेरिकल्स कसे सॉल्व करायचं हे सांगितलं की अगोदर दिलेलं जे काही न्यूमेरिकल आहे तो एक वेळेस काळजीपूर्वक वाचा. कशावरचा न्यूमेरिकल्स आहे तो आयडेंटिफाय करा. आता इथं सरळ आहे की इथं डी ब्रॉग्लीज वेवलेंथ काढा म्हणल्यानंतर हा डी ब्रॉग्लीज वेवलेंथवरचाच न्यूमेरिकल आहे. याच्यात काय काय दिलेलं आहे ते काढा. इथं तुम्हाला एच ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे काढा. मास दिलेला आहे ते लिहा इथं आणि वेलॉसिटी दिलेली आहे ते लिहा. म्हणजे आपण पाहिलं हे तिन्ही गोष्टी लिहिल्या. तिन्हीचं युनिट पहा एक वेळेस. तिन्ही काय MKS मध्ये आहेत म्हणून आपल्याला कुठलंही कन्वर्शन करावं लागणार नाही. राईट. नाउ देन कम टू द formula as lambda is equal to h upon p is equal to h upon m into v. Now put the values. h ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवली 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. मास ठेवलेला आहे 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into 1.40 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. राईट. लक्षात ठेवा आपल्याला ज्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्या आहेत त्याच व्हॅल्यू घ्यायच्या. आपल्याला जरी व्हॅल्यू पाठ असेल तर ती घ्यायची नाही. न्यूमेरिकलमध्ये जी दिलेली असेल तीच व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची. राईट. इथं 9.1 दिलेलं आहे 9.1 घेतलेलं आहे. राईट. क्लिअर. आता इथं कॅल्क्युलेट करताना अगोदर काय करायचं आहे 10चा पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. आता इथं -31 आहे इथं +5 आहे. -31 +5 दोन्हीचा बेस सारखा असल्यामुळे इथं ॲडिशन होईल. -31 + 5 किती होईल इथं इट इज -26 आणि हे -26 जेव्हा वरती जाईल त्यावेळेस ते होईल +26. तर इथं -34 + 26 म्हणजे इथं काय आलेलं आहे 10 to the power -8 मीटर. राईट. आता 10चे पॉवर्स कॅल्क्युलेट केले 10 to the power -8 मीटर आलेलं आहे. आता राहिला उरलेले टर्म्स. तर कॅल्क्युलेटर यूज करा. 6.626 डिवायडेड बाय 9.1 डिवायडेड बाय 1.40 यू विल गेट दिस आन्सर 0.5200 into 10 to the power -8. -8 मीटर इथपर्यंत जरी केलं तरी हे करेक्ट आहे आन्सर, चूक नाही. परंतु याला जर आपण कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर याला -10 मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा. म्हणजे 2 डिजिट कुठं घ्यायचं तुम्हाला राईट साईडला सरकायचा म्हणजे इथं -2 होतील. -8 -2 -10 झाला. -10 इज मीटर इज therefore it is a angstrom. That's why the de Broglie's wavelength is found to be 52.00 angstrom. Now this is your answer. Clear. Now then next numerical. Now this is the numerical. Here is the calculate the de Broglie's wavelength of a body of mass 1.2 kg moving with velocity 1500 meter per second. The value of h is given 6.626 into 10 to the power -34 joule second. Now according to our concept, read this numerical, think over it, write down the given things. Here h is 6.626 into 10 to the power -34 joule second. Then the mass is given 1.2 kg, velocity is given 1500 meter per second. We have to calculate de Broglie's wavelength. Therefore lambda is equal to how much? Now this lambda is equal to h upon p is equal to h upon m into v. Put the value of h, mass and velocity. Now here is the only this term 10 to the power -34, it will remain as it is. Now calculate by using calculator. 6.626 divided by 1.2 divided by 1500, you will get this answer. Now this is the answer for the numerical. Right. Now if you compare the numerical 1 and numerical 2. What is the difference? Only the value gets changed. The mass may change, velocity may change, but the value of h will remain as it is. The mass of the particle may get changed and the relative velocity may also get changed. In this way, only there is a change in the values. The pattern is the same. Now let us say the third numerical. Calculate the de Broglie's wavelength associated with an electron moving with a speed of 2.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Mass of electron is 9.109 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The given value of h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. Now read the numerical. It is found that the velocity is given, mass is given, and the value of h is given. Now given things are h, velocity and mass. What we have to calculate? De Broglie's wavelength is to be calculated. Therefore lambda is equal to how much? Now put the values as lambda is equal to h upon p is equal to h upon m into v. Put the value of h, mass and the velocity, right? First what we have to do? We have to calculate the power of 10. Now here is the 10 to the power minus 31, here is the 10 to the power 6, it becomes 10 to the power minus 25, right? When that minus 25 from denominator moves to numerator, it becomes plus 25. Now minus 34 plus 25, the remaining is 10 to the power minus 9. Clear? Now calculate 6.626 divided by 9.109 divided by 2.4. You will get this answer. Now this is the value of wavelength. All values are in MKS, therefore this is also the unit will be the wavelength unit will be the meter. Clear? Now this is the de Broglie's wavelength we calculated in the numerical 3. Now here is also same thing happens. What? There is a change in the mass, change in the speed or velocity, and the value of h is given. 3 values are given, 4th value is to be calculated. Now it is same like that. Now then numerical number 4. Now in this numerical, what the numerical is? A particle having a wavelength 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter is moving with a velocity of 1.4 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. Find the mass of the particle. H is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. Now read the numerical, find the given values. Now the given value is h in joules second. Here the wavelength is given, therefore lambda is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and the velocity is given 1.4 into 10 to the power 4 meter second. Now what is the mass of the particle? We have to calculate the mass of the particle, right? Therefore lambda is equal to h upon p is equal to h upon m into v. M is equal to h upon, now rearranging the equation, m goes on this side, lambda comes on this side, therefore m is equal to h upon lambda into v. Put the value of h. Now here is the value of lambda and here is the value of velocity, right? Now here is the 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, there will be the minus 2. When this minus 2 from denominator moves to the numerator becomes plus 2, therefore minus 34 plus 2, it will be the minus 32. Clear? Now use the calculator. 6.626 divided by 6.7 divided by 1.4, you will get this answer. This is the mass of the particle. Now all the values are in MKS, therefore the weight will be in kilogram. Clear? Now here is the just modification in this numerical. Here we have to find out the mass of the particle. Wavelength is already given. Now let us see the fifth one. What will be the wavelength of number 1, a 0.100 kg ball moving with the velocity 12.1 meter per second, and number 2, an electron moving with velocity 10 to the power 6 meter per second of mass 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The value of h is given. Now here two numericals are combined into the one numerical. Therefore you have to calculate the wavelength for a ball and for the electron. Now solve this numerical at the home and let us check the answer. Now these are the two answers for these two. Clear? Now this is about the numericals on the de Broglie's wavelength. Now we will stop today. Thank you.